We're going to go to settings. Okay, we're going to go to orders, and we're going to go to workflows. Okay, now I've already created film development, no scans. Okay, I'll give you a quick look at what that looks like. Order received, film received, scan and upload, and done with a capital O for some reason. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a workflow. So I'm going to do film development with scans. Okay, so film development with scans, there you go. The production time, as I mentioned earlier, retailer told me that it takes a little longer to scan after you develop. I'm going to put in 7 days because I don't know any better. Create pro event. So here we are again with the pro event. It's film dev with scans. So what does that imply? It implies that we want to send the items to the pro event. Now, a little word for you guys, if you are not signed up to the pro event solution, this won't show up. So you need to be signed up to pro event to be able to see this little checkbox here. This guy will help you with that, okay? So we're gonna add our statuses now. So we have the 3 columns: to do, in progress, and done. To do generally is a place where you only stuff one status. It's the beginning, and done implies the end. In progress is everything in between. So we're gonna add a status that's gonna say film received, job received, sorry. There you go. Status category is gonna be to do. I'm not going to send a message. The reason why I'm not going to send a message is that the customer already completed the order, so they already got an email notification saying like, hey, you know, we got your order. We got your order, man. So we don't really need to send a message. I'm going to save that there. Let's do the last one. Okay, done. And I'm going to call it done. Okay, status category is going to be done. And the message will be something like, here, I can just scan this here. Your film dev, I'm using a little scan gun to make things faster. Your film dev job is done. And now I'm going to fill out everything in between. Okay, so the name of this will be, this is the first one, receive film. So you got it by mail. The status category is going to be in progress. Yeah, this is something you're going to want to send an email for. So there you go. We have received your film, and we're going to save. There you go. See how that popped up there? Yeah, I got a little typo. It's bugging me. There you go. Okay, we're going to add another status. Receive film would be developed film. There you go. This is going to be inside of in progress. We don't need to notify the customer that this is done. Okay, the next step is going to be scan and color correct. Sure, why not? That seems to make sense. Scan and color correct. We're going to put this here in progress. No necessity to send out an email. And then upload images as statuses, name, upload images, status category will be in progress. Now you might think it's useful to add a message here, but it's not. The reason being that you're going to upload the image. Yeah, you're looking at me strange, eh? The reason is that you're going to upload the images, all right? When you upload the images, on the top right of that screen, there's going to be a big send notification button. When you hit that button, it's associated to an automatically configured email that's inside of your customer journey. So you don't need to send a message here because the customer journey is already taken care of it.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Surprise. And send. We've done it. We've created our work job. All right. High five.
Yeah.
Good stuff. All right. There's one very important part, and that is going to be to tether the work job and this workflow to the Photo Factory template, to the product. Okay. So let me just save this. Okay. I'm going to go to gifts and products. I have, there's 2 ways I can go about it. I can click on edit, and if I want everything to fall into the same workflow, I can just select workflow here, and I can select film development with scans. So like I have film dev with scan and film dev without scan as products inside of this subcategory. So if I set it here, it's all going to use the film development with scans work job, workflow. It's not a problem because, I mean, if they fall into upload images, just bring them to the next step. But if you want to be a little more specific and use 2 work jobs for your film dev, you can go into the product level. You can select edit. We're in develop only right now. You can select the work job for it. Okay, this is film dev, no scans. And then you can select film dev with scans. I'm sorry, film dev with scans and save. And then, like as you saw inside of the demo, you're going to submit an order. It's going to be tethered to that workflow, and you're done.